What if you could deliver more than just a wedding video and give your clients a fully immersive online experience? With Dacast, you can create an expo and immersive gallery that brings all your wedding content together in one place. To get started, go to your Dacast dashboard and open the Expo tab. In this example, we'll select Sarah and James' wedding. From here, you can manage every aspect of the experience. You can easily add your content, including live streams and video on demand files, and organize everything into a seamless viewing journey for your guests. If you want to monetize access, you can also enable and customize the paywall, allowing you to charge for entry or accept payments. Now let's look at customization. With the built-in editor, you can fully control the visual experience, update headers and text, adjust layout and element positioning, and even create your own custom theme, including dark mode. This allows you to deliver a fully branded high-end experience that reflects your client's event. Offer your clients more than just a video. Create a complete immersive wedding experience. Start your free trial with Dacast and build your first expo today.